How to create Monzo account. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started. First thing first, make sure you have already installed the application Monzo on your device. Once it has been installed, simply open the application Monzo. Wait for a while for it to load. In order to create an account, tap on I'm new to Monzo. Enter your email address at the very top. Once you have entered, tap on Join. Click on Open Email App. You need to select Gmail. You will receive one verification code on your email address. Head over to the very first one. Tap on Login to Monzo app. Now select your specific country. Once you have selected, tap on Confirm. Now you need to enter your first name, last name, and also the date of birth. And then tap on Next. Now you will need to enter your street address, your city, state, and zip code. Once done, tap on Next and follow the on-screen process. After that, your account will be created successfully. So that's the wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.